So in this video, ituturo ko kung paano mag-buy ng USDT gamit ang inyong Gcash and your Binance account. Kung wala pa kayong Binance account, madali lang mag-create. Nandiyan na sa description yung link. Create your account and pwede na kayong mag-buy. So make sure to have your balance on your Gcash. So meron akong balance dito na 5,000. So ito yung gagamitin natin pang buy sa Binance Smart Chain. Okay? So, punta na tayo ngayon sa Binance. And then, ganito lang gagawin natin, guys. And so, click lang natin yung portfolio. Ayan. So, I have 32 pesos worth of USDT. So, ang bibili natin is USDT. Okay? So, ang kiklik lang natin, guys, is yung add funds. And then, buy with PHP. Okay? So, here, select natin yung token or yung crypto na ibabay natin, which is USDT. Alright? And then here, type lang natin guys yung amount. So, I will buy 5,000. Okay? Then, select payment method. I will select Gcash. Okay? And then, nakalagay dito guys sa P2P Express Trading. Okay? So, click lang natin yung confirm. So, nakalagay dito is I will receive 85 USDT. So, i-click natin yung place order. Alright, so pwede rin naman natin siyang i-chat kung gusto natin to make sure na naka-online siya. Okay? So, dito nakalagay na yung details ng kanyang payment method. So, i-copy lang natin yung Gcash account number na yan. And pwede na tayong pumunta sa Gcash and isend na natin to. So, since this is P2P, walang charge to, no? Kasi Gcash to Gcash naman siya. So, paste lang natin yan. And then, the amount, 5,000. And, click natin yung next. So, Rowena M. So, double check lang natin yung name, guys. Okay, tama naman siya. Balik tayo sa Gcash. And, ito na. Isend na natin siya. So, wag natin kalimutan i-save yung receipt. Yan, just in case. Go back to Binance. And here, pwede natin i-click muna yung view payment methods. Alright, so since na isend na natin no, yung payment, pwede na natin i-click yung transferred notify seller. Okay, so after that, click natin yung chat. And then, pwede natin isend dito yung ayan, yung ating proof of payment. Ayan. So, send natin to sa kanya. Okay. So, since nakalagay nga is express, no, napakabilis lang niya. So, nirelease na agad. Okay. No need to to send the receipt. So, just in case lang naman na mag-ask si seller, so, meron tayong proof ng payment natin sa kanya. So, ayan, just in case na kailangan natin. But here, in this transaction, hindi na nag-ask si seller. So, nirelease niya agad. Ayan, nakalagay dito, deposited into your account. So, i-click lang natin yung X. And makikita natin tong binili natin no, na USDT. So, i-back mo lang ng i-back yan. Okay, back. So, makikita natin to dito sa ating portfolio. Ayan. So, eto na siya guys. Meron na akong $85. So, next thing na gagawin natin is, ita-transfer na natin siya sa Metamask. So, okay, in this tutorials naman, ito naman kung paano tayo magpa-fund ng USDT via Opbnb network. Okay? So, punta muna tayo sa Metamask. Kailangan natin i-set up si Metamask sa Opbnb network. Okay? Open your Metamask. And kailangan natin siyang i-set up. Okay? So, dito, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to. And makikita mo na lahat ng networks. So, right now, naka-BNB chain tayo. Ang kailangan natin is Opbnb chain. Okay? So, i-click natin yung add custom network. Alright? So, kailangan natin i-fill up ito, guys. And nandiyan na sa description, no, yung i-fill up natin dito. Copy lang natin, guys. Copy and paste lang. Click mo lang yan, then add RPC. Tapos dito sa RPC URL, dito natin ipipaste. And then, optional lang yung nakalagay na RPC name. So, click na natin yung add. And then, ChainID 204. Symbol BNB. And then last one, yung Explorer. Copy that. And then, ayan, click mo yung arrow, tapos add block Explorer. Paste it here, and then add. And then click natin yung save. So after that, successfully added na raw. So ang gagawin lang natin is, click natin yung arrow ulit na to, and then nandyan na sa option yung OPBNB mainnet. So click lang natin yan, and naka-OPBNB network na tayo. So the next thing na gagawin natin is, kailangan natin yung contract address ng USDT. Since yung USDT yung kita-transfer natin dito sa Metamask, so para mag-display siya dito sa inyong balance, kailangan mong i-import yung USDT. So dyan na sa description yung contract address ng USDT OPBNB. So i-copy mo lang yan and then ipipaste natin dito. Click natin yung import tokens. And then here, ipipaste natin yung contract address. Alright. So, automatic guys, mapapopulate na yung details, no? Yung token symbol and then token decimal. So, all you have to do is click on next and click import. So, that's it. So, eto na guys, meron akong balance dyan na 1.42. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is, magsasend tayo ng USDT dito. Okay? So, automatic naka-OPBNB network na siya. So, click lang natin yung wallet address na yan. Okay? And then, let's go back to Binance. And here, click natin yung take out. Okay? So, select natin withdraw. And then here, ipapaste natin yung wallet address. Alright? So, ito yung importante guys. Kailangan lang nating iselect dito sa network is OPBNB. So, that USDT will send us OPBNB na siya. Okay? Pagdating sa Metamask natin. So, importante yan guys. Piliin na network is OPBNB. So, here, itatype natin yung amount. So, I will send maximum amount. So, wala siyang fee. Okay? Alright, so yan. Click na natin yung withdraw. Just make sure na tama yung wallet address, no? I-double check nyo lang. Click na natin yung withdraw. And confirm. So, meron lang ako ditong verification, okay, for the security purposes. And then after that, withdrawal processing na siya. So, it may take a while bago mag-reflect ito sa ating MetaMask wallets. And, ayan, well, withdrawal processing pa naman siya. So, once completed na yan sa blockchain, magre-reflect na yan sa ating MetaMask wallet. So, nandito na siya guys, yung balance natin, pumasok na siya. Ayan, meron na tayong 86.97 USDT. So, ganun lang kasimple guys. Okay? Naka-OPBNB network na siya. So, that's all guys. Again, this is Baby Snow. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!